We got that tire prep on them. We finna get ready to go, guys. This what y'all been waiting to see.
Damn,
Twin TP, baby.
Oh my God. Such a good scene.
Good run, brother.
Oh.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating and you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping that big week.
Young boy on the beat.
All right, guys, we back out here again with the speed runs, baby. We finna get it in.
Hello.
We got my brother Rob. We got my brother Christian. Woo! What you got there, brother?
97 miles per hour.
New PB?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hey, I ain't catch that run, but he flew in the air, y'all.
Batteries went everywhere. Luckily, I found my damn GPS in the middle of the road.
Nice.
Oh my God.
Woo.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah, all the way in the freaking. It was actually a ditch.
And what you running on that?
6S, BLX with 2200 kV.
97.3, guys.
I bet my my rear shock tower.
Guys.
7.3 miles per hour. Everything seems to be good except
Oh,
for
man,
the
facts.
bent shock tower in the rear. We're good. We're good. It's a personal best. Went from 93 to 97.
He had to
I think that's
cool
pretty
off
damn
out
good.
there, huh?
Woo.
We got that tire prep on them. We finna get ready to go, guys.
That motor
This
ain't
what
even
y'all
hot.
been waiting to see.
Damn,
Twin
these batteries been
TP,
through hell and
baby.
back.
Let's
Awesome.
go.
New PB, baby. Come
I have
on,
to get
girl.
the fly sky with
Come
the antenna.
Super
All right,
special.
Dante.
Yes, sir.
GoPro, start recording. Hopefully, yeah, it's reading now, so hopefully we'll see something interesting here. And it's gonna stay in one piece. No front splitter, crashed it. Can't find it online to save my life. I found one, but it's still on bidding, so I guess I'm gonna have to wait.
I'll show you where I got mine.
Okay.
Oh, you talking about the top piece too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't know about
Yeah.
that. I don't know about that one.
All right. Do me good, girl.
Let's go, guys. Got my brother Rob. We finna get it in.
Oh my God. Such a good scene.
Good run, brother.
Oh.
Good run. Wait, my helmet. No, you just come out cool.
Lifetime.
Yes, sir. Oh, good save.
Come on, girl. 130.
Come on, man. Let's go. That'll be a new PB, right, for you, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Man, that was a save. It's not all the way. I couldn't.
Twin.
No!
Wow, so close,
Yes.
so close.
127.
127,
Wow,
guys.
so close.
Fuck. All right, we're gonna charge it up, let her cool down, and do it again.
Yes, sir. Good job, brother. Good job.
Man, I can't control it. Like 125, that thing starts to.
The Christian running that TP.
Dante, did
XLX?
you look alive in that video?
I think it's gonna be awesome. I think it's gonna be awesome. All right, so we got the Arrma Typhon.
Hold on,
That
we'll
other
prep
big y'all seen the last time. We're getting the new PP. There we go.
Hoping to
What's
get a new
making it?
PV.
What's
We're gonna
making
get it
super hard
today.
For me, and what's giving me all that is I don't have fucking TSM.
It's the Max 5 one here,
TSM
ain't
is
it?
not keeping me straight.
That one got the Max 5 too?
No, that
that's the
one's,
XLX.
Yeah.
This the Max 5 right here, guys. Max 5 set up. We got that twin TP, baby. Twin TP.
An attempt. I'm pretty sure so many people will sit online and say, what the hell are you doing, boy? But I'm gonna give it a shot. I have no idea how GRPs act with prep. But I'll tell you one thing, Dante. We're gonna find out.
Yes, sir. And that ain't even as sticky as the other stuff.
The one I got is sticky.
Yeah, well, I'm running S2s anyway
Right.
for today. So
It's sticky though, but it ain't as sticky as the other stuff I've been
we'll
seeing.
see. We'll see what he does.
Let's go. Let's get it in,
We'll see what he
baby.
does.
I'm good.
There we go, guys. We getting it in today. High speed run. We setting the bar high today, baby. Well, our own bars. We're not worried about anybody else PBs. We just hanging and banging and having a good time. This is RC family. We ain't worried about your PB. We worry about ours. Let's get it.
All right, Typhon 6S. SMCs. Trying tire prep on GRPs today, so not really sure what's going to happen here, but I guess we're about to find out. All right.
Heating them up.
I don't see the kind of truck here, but yeah. That's horrible, actually. That's horrible. That's very bad track.
Oh my God, you're crazy. Oh my God, you're crazy. That last part was mad.
Yeah, I was trying to hold it together.
Wow, you held it well.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Well. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh my God, bro, that thing started going everywhere.
These JRP, I gotta tell you, the SH25s or the double pink are a lot better. Come on, baby. No!
What it
It
is?
can't be, man. I can see the car. It's going faster.
116.
This is nothing. What? Yeah, and I've done these beats before. It's not. That was so freaking fast, bro.
That was.
There's no way.
You know your cars, bro.
There's no way. All right, guys. So just a quick tip. Your Castle fan. Obviously, you can use other fans like NTF are great. I use them on other cars, but if you're using the stock one or WTF fans, cut these two lips right here. There are two small lips on both sides. Raise it up a little bit and obviously take the plastic out, flip it and glue it nicely. Create a good seal so you have a good vacuum. What you're doing is pretty much creating a small chamber, like a vacuum chamber between the fan and the heatsink. So it breathes a lot better and you actually see results on data logging and everything, like it actually counts. So just a little bit raising it and you're fine.
Guys, you can feel the air blowing, guys. That is wow. Nice, thank you, brother.
You got it.
Great knowledge.
It's just the Mamba Monster 2 with the 2200 kV Castle motor, or the one off the Revo.
Off the Revo?
Yeah. You're gonna see my personal best is 101 right now. Trying to get at 110.
I got my brother Christian. Trying to get it in right quick. I'm gonna try to get us a new PB.
No.
You got that, bro.
We broke 100.
You got that.
Broke 100. Whoa, what the hell? Left.
Yo, come on, straight down.
Good job. Good job. That was a good run, brother. You're good. Clear behind you so you can switch to this lane if you want, just not to be stressed. Oh, you're gonna hit it again. I'm good with that. I'm good.
I just say you had to do 2 rounds. Don't hit me. Don't go for another run either.
That was a good run.
102.
No.
I think.
Oh, it looks like it.
I'm guessing.
It looks
It
like
looks
it.
like it.
102.
Yes, sir.
What the heck?
102. That's all right.
Man, he is good with the numbers, man.
Nice. I love it.
All right.
Yes,
Awesome.
sir.
Good job.
Two.
Good job.
This the numbers
UPB.
man right here.
Yeah,
Baby.
Yes, sir. No PB.
102.